What specific goals and purpose does your meal plan aim to achieve? Provide details. So, the main goal of this meal plan is to help prevent acne and keep the meals light and easy to digest. To achieve this, the plan focuses on avoiding common acne triggers like dairy and processed sugars. Instead, it includes foods that help reduce inflammation such as salmon, chia seeds, and avocado. These foods are rich in healthy fats and nutrients that support skin health. The diet is balanced and can fit into a low fat approach. It works well for someone looking for light meals that are good for the skin. What is the daily calorie intake you intend to maintain? This meal plan is designed to maintain a daily calorie intake of around 1,000 to 1,500 calories. Each day provides enough energy to keep you going but stays within the calorie range to promote a lighter diet. Did you ensure that all the nutrients in your meal plan were balanced? If you did, explain how you achieved that balance. If not, what was the reason? Yes, the nutrients are balanced in this meal plan. It includes a good mix of healthy carbs, such as oats and whole grain bread, proteins from egg, fish, and chicken, and healthy fats from avocado and nuts. These nutrients work together to keep your energy levels steady, support muscle health, and nourish your skin. The meals also include fiber from fruits and vegetables, which is important for digestion and overall health. Explain the overall health benefits of the meal plan that you created. This meal plan offers several health benefits. First, it helps to reduce acne by including foods that are gentle on the skin and low in inflammatory ingredients. Second, it provides steady energy throughout the day with balanced nutrients. The plan is also light, so you won't feel overly full or sluggish after eating. Plus, it supports overall well-being by including a variety of vitamins and minerals from fresh ingredients like fruits, veggies, and whole grains. If someone is open to adopting and following your diet plan, would you recommend it? Why or why not? So I would recommend this meal plan to someone who wants to follow a light and acne-friendly diet. It's balanced, easy to follow, and designed to improve skin health. However, it's important to make sure it fits your personal needs, especially if you have allergies or specific dietary restrictions. Overall, it's a healthy and a sustainable plan for anyone looking for to maintain a balanced, light diet while taking care of their skin. That's all. Thank you.